Hi, welcome back to our lesson. We learned the simple strokes yesterday. Now, we will be looking at more complex strokes. Today, we are going to talk about the compound strokes. Before we go into the details of complex strokes, we need to take a look at the connection types of the compound strokes. That is how we can make the simple strokes into the compound ones. The first type is break. It's called 折 in Chinese, which indicates a change in stroke direction. Usually, it's a 90-degree turn, going down or going right only. The second type is hook. It's called 勾 in Chinese, and is appended to other strokes, suddenly going down or going left only. The third type is bend. It's called 弯 in Chinese. It's a tapering, thinning curve, usually concave left, convex outward right. The fourth type is slant. It's called 斜 in Chinese, which is a curved line, usually concave right, convex outward left. Okay, these four types of connection together with the basic strokes we learned yesterday will help to make the compound strokes. Now, let's take a look at them one by one. Now, you can see here, it's a combination of throwaway and dot. To write this stroke, you should write it in a single move. The calligraphy just exaggerated the move, but you can see it in the example character. It's connected together. This stroke is called 撇点, which literally means throw away, and dot. Read after me. 撇点. Notice that there is a sound change here, because 撇 and 点 are all in the third tone and next to each other. So the first one changes into the second tone. One more time. 撇点. The next one is a combination of vertical and rise. To write this stroke, you write the vertical first, then at the bottom you write the rise. It's called 竖提. This one is also simple, just a combination of the two simple strokes. Now, read after me. 竖提. One more time. 竖提. The next one is a combination of horizontal, break, and rise. It's called 横折提. Why the second part is break, not vertical. It's simple because it's the connection here connects the 横 and 提. However, vertical cannot play as a connection type, so the horizontal may don't stop and turn if it meets the vertical. Now, read after me one more time. 横折提. One more time. 横折提. The next one is a combination of vertical and hook. It's called 竖钩. It's quite simple, but you should remember that the hook goes to the left, not right. Read after me. 竖钩. One more time. 竖钩. The next one is slightly different from the previous one. It's a combination of bend and hook. In fact, the bend should be the vertical bend. That means originally it's a combination of vertical and hook, but we should bend the vertical. It's called 弯钩 in Chinese. Read after me. 弯钩. One more time. 弯钩. The next one is more complex now. It's a combination of vertical, a bend, and a hook. Now you will notice something to do with the previous two strokes, but notice this, the connection type here is bend, not break. If it's break, we should change it in a sharp way, but in this stroke, we should gradually bend it. It's called 竖弯钩. Also notice that the bend should go right towards, and the hook go upwards. Now, read after me. 竖弯钩. One more time. 竖弯钩. Now, we are looking at another stroke which looks like the previous one, but there is no bend in it. Instead, we see a slant. So it's a combination of slant and hook. It's called 斜钩. Read after me. 斜钩. One more time. 斜钩. Now, we are looking at the last stroke today. It's called 握钩. It looks like the previous one too, but it's lying down. So this one is a combination of the bent horizontal and the hook. Notice that the stroke here in the given example looks like a 竖弯钩, vertical plus bend plus hook. But in our writing Chinese, this one should be 握钩, bend horizontal and hook. It's just the difference between a typed font face and the handwriting. Now, read after me. 握钩. One more time. 握钩. Okay, these are the strokes we need to learn today, and the homework for today is to write down the strokes we learned as we did yesterday. You should write the strokes and the pinyin above it 10 times for each stroke. Okay, thanks for watching, and remember to hand in your homework in the class group. If you are not in our class group, you can send them to my WeChat or WhatsApp. Let's take a break, and I will see you in the next lesson.